My name is Bryant Fitts, and I'm a lawyer, and I'm here today to talk about when you should be paid overtime. The general rule in the United States is that if you work more than 40 hours a week, you should be paid overtime. Now, there are a few exceptions to this rule. The exceptions are typically professionals, such as doctors and lawyers, and managers. Now, sometimes managers are entitled to overtime. It all depends on how much authority they have as managers. A commonly misclassified manager is a retail store manager because at the end of the day, they're called managers, but they don't really have much authority in terms of managers. They don't have the opportunity to make judgment calls. And if they do have to make a judgment call, they have to call their boss or their supervisor, which really means they're a manager by title, and they're not actually a manager under the law and under the Fair Labor Standards Act, which governs these claims. Now, if you aren't getting paid overtime, you should be getting paid time and a half overtime. And if you aren't getting paid overtime, you're entitled to your unpaid overtime, and you're entitled to penalties and interest under the law. Furthermore, the employer must pay your attorney's fees. The laws are set up this way to encourage employees to seek compensation for the time they actually worked. So if you've been working more than 40 hours a week and not been paid overtime, you need to contact a lawyer to protect your rights. A lawyer that understands the law will take the case on a contingent fee basis, which means they won't charge you anything until they are successful in the recovery of your claim. So that also means that it won't cost you anything out of pocket to get the wages you were owed. So if you worked more than 40 hours a week and you haven't been paid overtime, please contact us or another lawyer today to have them review your claim. You can contact us at 1-800-99-FITS or use the contact form below. Furthermore, you can ask general questions about the eligibility of overtime in the comment section below.